Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. As 2023 runs out and we move close to holiday season, some really cool rugged phones have been released into the wild. In today's video, I will be comparing 3 of those rugged phones, namely Oukitel WP30 Pro, Doogee V30 Pro, and Unihertz Tank 3. I hope this video will help you make a choice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment if you have any questions after watching the video.